MACTRON Group, built on revolution, responsibility, and relationship. Headquartered in Taiwan, innovation starts here. In our collaborative workspace, our diverse team transforms ideas into reality. Through open communication and strategic planning, from smart healthcare and rugged industrial automation to interactive commercial displays. We specialize in 3 core sectors: medical healthcare, industrial automation, and business commercial applications. Our comprehensive product lineup includes our PPC panel PCs, the mobile MTP line, TDM touch displays, and our robust BPC box PC series. Quality is our foundation. Every unit undergoes rigorous testing and precision assembly to ensure reliability in the toughest environments. We are committed to the highest standards, fully certified by ISO 9001 for quality management. Recognition reflects our commitment to innovation, reliability, and real-world impact. To meet global demand, we expanded our operations with a dedicated assembly and test warehouse established in 2024, ensuring efficient logistics and delivery. Stable performance and dependable reliability, earning long-term customer trust. Behind our hardware is a team of experts. Through collaboration and strategic planning, our success is built on the synergy of product management, strict quality control, and responsive sales and service. We connect with the world, showcasing our latest innovations at major international events like Computex and Embedded World, with stronger technology and stronger people. We scale growth and expand our global presence. Also, we believe a happy team drives success, from team adventures to collaborative milestones. We are building more than a company, we are building a community. With stronger technology and stronger people, we deliver solutions the world can trust. MACTRON Group, touch and embedded solutions for real-world demands. Building the future, one team at a time.